Okay, we're opening up our second box. Topps brand new Sapphire Edition Garbage Pail Kids, based on the original series art from series 6, which was 86, I think. Okay. So I just ordered these about 2 days ago. I just opened one box. This is my second box. We're expected to get 4 parallels, which are serialed kits that are numbered. Okay, here we go. Take a look at that. Let's get going. Let's go right into it. Should have 8 packs in here. And oh, we do. Got this. Nice. We were expecting it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we have a hit. There's a regular one. Okay, we have a Joan Clone, teal, aqua, numbered out of 99, 56 out of 99. Let's get that in plastic. Awesome. Love starting off with a hit. Here's the rest of this one. This one was a little sticky. There's some sticky on that card. Okay, pack 3. Bill, I don't know how to. Oh, I got another hit and Nene. Lollipopped. Oh, here we go. Toan Owen. Okay, that is numbered out of 75. It's a fuchsia. 2 or 37. Cute. I love these fuchsia. Let's get that in plastic. Oh my God, the first one I opened, my heart was beating. The beating so fast. I feel less heart beaty this time, which is good. By 6, I'll be smooth as glass. Okay, some base cards. Okay. Oh, and these are the other 2 from the other pack. Oopsies. All right, on to pack number 5. Oh, black. Yes. There's a hit. It's black. 75 out of 150. Dynamite. That's a cute one. I like that. I like the black that they added. It just looks the coolest. Okay. Another sticky card. Some base. Pack number 7. Wait, we're expecting one more parallel. See if we can't pull ourselves a pad. That would be super sweet. Last pack magic. Let's go. Oh, and it's a green. Are they still out of 50? Yes, they are. Okay. And then this guy. We got a Megan Strainer. And she is 44 out of 50. Nice. I'm loving the 4 hits per box. That's super exciting. There we go. We'll review our hits. We'll start with her. It is a Megan Strainer, 44 out of 50, a green. And then we have a Toan Owen, 64 out of 75, fuchsia. And then we have Dynamite, 75 out of 150. And then we have Joan Clone, 56 out of 99. Kind of hard to see. Thanks for watching. On to box 3.